So he actually is helpful.
Alright, so first we get the dough out of the tin and flour it up because it's coated in oil to keep it from sticking to things. So we put it in flour so that it doesn't stick right now to the table. Then we flatten it out, get all the bubbles out of it. Some people like the bubbles. Keep it round the whole time. And then stretch it, going right up to the edges, fingers up to the edges of the pizza to keep some crust. Go around a bunch of times. Then flip it over on your knuckles. Stretch it to the size, keeping it even. You can see the light through. And you can have fun with it. And then make sure it's still round. Align it on the paddle. This is called a pizza paddle or pizza peel. Give yourself a ladle of sauce. Spread it around. Go almost to the edge. You want to leave the crust without sauce and cheese on it. Keep it even. A little bit of homemade recipe Parmesan cheese mix, some spices. And then we got the mozzarella cheese. Break it up and spread a handful on. And a little bit more. And that's it. Then you got to make sure it didn't stick to the paddle. Shake it around a little bit. Open the door. And give it a quick shimmy. And there it goes. Done.
And soon we're going to eat it up.
And you're going to eat it up.
Yeah.
That's what it's for.
Okay.